Apple unveils AirPods Pro's voice isolation feature at WWDC 2024. Apple, on the first day of the Worldwide Developers Conference, announced a groundbreaking update for AirPods Pro, set to revolutionize call quality with the introduction of the voice isolation feature. This innovative addition aims to significantly enhance communication clarity, particularly in challenging environments characterized by high levels of background noise. Utilizing advanced machine learning technology powered by the H2 chip integrated into AirPods Pro, alongside paired iPhone, iPad, or Mac devices, voice isolation isolates and enhances voice quality while effectively filtering out significant background noise such as wind. This development promises to ensure crystal clear communication for users, even in adverse conditions, making conversations more intelligible and seamless. In addition to the AirPods Pro update, Apple unveiled advancements in health monitoring with the introduction of the Vitals app, providing users with comprehensive tracking of various health metrics. Notably, enhancements to the cycle tracking feature within the Health app offer tailored support for pregnancy tracking, providing expectant mothers with personalized insights into their health. Moreover, watchOS 11 introduces smart stacking, enabling dynamic addition of widgets as needed, and the check-in feature, facilitating convenient arrival notifications directly from the Apple Watch. Leveraging machine learning capabilities, watchOS 11 further enhances the photo's watch face, curating the best photos for a visually appealing and personalized experience. As Apple continues to innovate and refine its product offerings, these updates underscore the Cupertino-based tech giant's commitment to delivering enhanced functionality and user experiences across its ecosystem.